Fair warning. If she's been using you up until this point without you even knowing, chances are you're dealing with a master manipulator. So here are 5 definite ways to know that she's using you. Number 1 is quality time seems like a chore. So if you find yourself always having to chase her down to spend time with her, you're always the one who initiates the quality time. And then when you do spend time with her, you could tell she's not mentally there. She's like not excited at all. That's a bad sign. Also, when you go out, if you notice that, like in a public setting, whether it be a party, a lounge, whatever, if you notice that she gravitates away from you as opposed to you, that's a major sign that she's using you. Number 2 is she goes MIA in real life situations. So your car breaks down, or you lose your wallet, or your plans fall through. Whatever the reason why things were not able to go accordingly, if she goes MIA during these real life situation times, chances are she's using you. Number 3 is she will sacrifice your well-being. So she might tell you to take that job that she knows that you really don't want. Or she might tell you to stay on that job that she knows that you're miserable at. Or she might tell you to participate in certain activities that she knows you really don't enjoy. She will sacrifice your happiness for her desired outcome. And she'll coerce you into doing whatever benefits her, because users are all about for self, and they could care less about you. Number 4 is she's never satisfied. So like you'll find that no matter what you do for her, no matter what you buy her, she's never satisfied. So let's say you buy her a diamond ring and she's like, oh babe, this ring is beautiful. Let a little bit of time pass. Then she'll start saying things like, babe, I really love the diamond ring that you got me, but this one over here is gorgeous. Like she'll try to get you to upgrade. She'll always try to get you to upgrade. Like that's the manipulative part. And even on a lower scale level, if you find that she's always picking like extremely expensive restaurants, even after you put a cheaper alternative on the table, like if she dismisses it and says, nah, baby, I don't really want that. Like I have a taste for blah, 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 and then picks like that super expensive restaurant and kind of dismisses yours and then expects you to pay, she's using you. Number 5 is she will compare you to others. So she will make you as a man feel like inferior to other men. So for instance, she might say something like, babe, John just bought his girl a Mercedes the other day. I would love a Mercedes. Like she's going to be really good at covertly making you feel obligated to keep her happy. Like it's all mind games. So you have to be cautious, and you have to pay attention to the words and the verbiage that's being used, especially when you're dealing with what I like to call a label whore. So a label whore is basically like a woman who just lives for brand names. You have to be cautious when you're dealing with a woman like this, because she will use you to ensure that she stays on top and ensure that she is always keeping up with the Joneses. I also want you guys to be aware that a woman who is truly using you is almost going to always be covert in how she does it. And she's almost always going to give you an ego boost before she tries to get what she wants. So if she's stroking your ego, pay attention, because she's doing it for a reason. So just keep your mind open, keep your eyes open, and pay attention to these little signs. Do not ignore red flags. And the biggest thing of all, pay attention to your gut. If your gut instinct is telling you that something is wrong, and your gut instinct is telling you that she could possibly be using you, don't ignore that, because that's going to be your biggest indicator, and it will never lie to you. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later.